To reset your WordPress password, start by going to the login page of your WordPress site. You can do this by typing the URL of your site followed by wp-admin, such as example.com/wp-admin. Click on the Lost Your Password link below the login form. Enter the username or email address associated with your WordPress account and click Get New Password. WordPress will send a password reset link to the email address associated with your account. Check your email inbox for the password reset email and click on the link provided. This will take you to a page where you can enter a new password. Choose a strong and unique password, and make sure to confirm it by re-entering it in the second field. Click Reset Password to save your new password. You will then be taken back to the login page where you can log in with your new password. As a best practice, make sure to use a strong and unique password for your WordPress account. And consider using a password manager to generate and store complex passwords. If you are using a security plugin such as WordFence or Malcare, you may need to follow additional steps to reset your password. Additionally, if you are locked out of your WordPress site and cannot access the login page, you can try resetting your password using phpMyAdmin or the WordPress recovery mode. However, these methods require technical expertise and should be used with caution. It is recommended to seek help from a WordPress expert or your hosting provider if you are not comfortable with these methods. By following these steps, you can easily reset your WordPress password and regain access to your site. Remember to always use strong and unique passwords, and keep your WordPress site and plugins up to date to prevent security vulnerabilities.